Ang feel ko dito parang Old Rich, no? Old Rich yung feel, gently rolling terrain. Hi guys, Realtor Mike here. In this episode, we will feature one of the villages, one of my new favorites, Elaro by Ayalan Premier. We'll also be experimenting a new format. Nag-drive ako yesterday sa loob ng village and then I took footage and then I will comment on it as we go through it. Sige, start na tayo. So as I enter Elaro, I think it has one of the nicest and grandest driveway towards the gate. You can see medyo winding siya, tapos the beautiful trees are on the side, tapos sa gitna may small island with some light. Yun, medyo mahaba yung stretch, siguro 150 meters if I'm not mistaken before the main gate. So ito yung main gate ng Elaro. Yan, we entered the village. So Elaro is the fourth Ayalan Premier village in New Valley after Abrio, Santera, Montecito. It was introduced 2015. All sold out from the developer. May a few secondary market lots for sale. Let me know if you're interested. It's located at New Valley Central near Xavier School, Central Block na commercial area na dinidevelop ngayon. Will have its Mary Mart by first or second quarter of 2025. So 72 hectares siya, 451 lots. 6 or 7 houses per hectare siya. So medyo mababa yung density. The lots range from 600 square meters to 1,000, 1,200, 1,400. The average size is 771, more or less. So gently rolling siya. As you can see, itong main road natin, we'll just go to the main road, go straight, then make a U-turn, then go to the amenities. Located beside Trevia, opposite side, Montecito, although there's a bird sanctuary and a wildlife sanctuary dividing the two, Elaro and Montecito. At the backside naman niya, that's the street. Arcillo is there, yung currently being offered by Ayalan Premier, the former Camp N, and the road which leads to Soliento, Andacillo, Rio Monte, and Cerrillo. And there's also a 3-hectare commercial strip, parang Plaza de San Antonio. Yun yung peg niya that will be developed in the future. Kaya yung nagsasabi na the villages in New Valley Central and New Valley South are parang looban from Solinad because that's the reference point, Solinad, the commercial area. But once the central block, yung commercial area is developed, another 3-hectare commercial area near Rio Monte and Cerrillo, plus the 10-hectare in Venare, the residents inside New Valley did not go out to Solinad unless it's really important. Doon na lang sa loob. So magiging self-sufficient yung buong New Valley yun with the commercial areas that are planned by Ayala. In fact, yung driving range doon in the former site of Wakeboard, since they have very good food, the residents inside do not go out. They have breakfast there and they have merienda there. They have meetings there dun sa driving range. Shout out to Dr. Lorenzo. We're driving dito sa main road na. Yan, as you can see, the beautiful trees, both sides of the road. You can just imagine that 10 years pa lang siya. Although some are more than that, yung mga naiwan. But the ones planted there by the landscape architect are 10 years old lang. You can just imagine that after some time, pa-envelope yan ng ganyan. It will serve like a canopy. I've walked there with a client who owns a lot there. It was so cool and refreshing dahil siya naka-cover yung trees dun sa main road na yon. Those are deliberate designs by the developer. Meron talagang landscape architectural firm na kinontract. Ito, itong road na to, there's a middle part na landscape din. Very beautiful. It's better in person. One way lang itong dinadaan natin. The other way is on the opposite side. So mag-U-turn tayo dito sa bandang end, then we'll go back to the main road and to the amenities. Why did I say it's my new favorite? Kasi nung simula yan, when it was turned over to the lot owners, it was not well kept before. There were high tall grass dun sa mga lots. I was requested to sell a property there, pero yung grass yung talahib, they call it in the Filipino parlance. Lagpas tao. So sabi ko, I can't possibly sell this to clients because when they see the tall grass, walang bibili niyan. Definitely matatakot to stay there. After a few months, few years, inayos na nila yung landscape. They maintained it well. And then when I visited, wow, sabi ko, ang ganda pala ng Elaron. So that's why it's become my new favorite village in New Valley. Tapos look at the trees, the gorgeous trees. Ganda talaga niyan. Yan, we made the U-turn. We're approaching the amenities area. 3 hectares siya. Merong covered basketball court. You will see later. Merong pool, very nice pool. May gym, the usual function rooms. And pinaka-unique dito na nakita ko yung parang sunken garden ala UP. A smaller version but it's very nice nevertheless, no? It brought back memories of yung UP sunken garden na makikita natin. Yan. As you can see, there are about more or less 10 houses plus minus. So they're enjoying the village by themselves. Some are asking, di ba nakakatakot yun? Hindi. For me, you take advantage of living there if you want to live there earlier. You can have your own security guard in front of your house. You can ask the admin, dahil konti pa lang houses. That's what they did in the first and second or third residents. Nagpa-assign ng guard in front of their house and they're enjoying the whole village by themselves. So yan, we're approaching the driveway of the clubhouse. Ang feel ko dito parang Old Rich, no? Old Rich yung feel, gently rolling terrain. Yan, as you go left, hindi ko na ni-record for privacy purposes. So this is the sunken garden. Yan. Maganda yan from the other side then. The basketball court is located after the sunken garden, the mini sunken garden. Yung courts will be, it's basketball court right now, but of course, right now they're repurposing many basketball courts into multi-use. So, pwedeng siguro yan, makalagay ng volleyball nets, baka gawing pickleball, I don't know. Ano yan, depends on the homeowners na yan. So, there you go. If you like the village and you're interested to buy, let me know. And pasyal ko kayo, ikot kayo. There are few lots available. So, again, I hope you like this drive-by segment of Realtor Mike. Sige, yun muna and stay safe, stay in faith. God bless. Bye.